Alright guys, so what I have here are my husband's dirty pants, and I'm going to use some of the spot remover and the laundry soap to get them cleaned. By the way, this is a reminder for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so then you can be notified whenever we upload new videos. This is Macaloy Products, and I'm going to not only use the spot remover today, but I'm also going to use the laundry detergent. And if you like our products, you can always go to macaloyproducts.com. That is MACALOY products.com and purchase them. So today I have about 5 pair of pants I'm going to show you. They all either have dirt or dirt and cement or just other odds and ends stuff on them that my husband gets them dirty. He's not the cleanest person, and as you can see, we've got some possible cement here on the knee and a bunch of dirt all over the pants, and I don't know what that is, whether it's paint or whatnot, but we'll see if we can get it off. And then that's the first pair. The next pair looks like it's just got dirt all over it. We'll see if we can get that out, get it pretty clean. There may be some other grease or stuff up here. So I'm going to take this first pair before we get too far, and I'm going to use some spotter right here on what that could be, paint or caulk or something. I'm going to use a little spotter right there, and the spotter number I'm going to use on the spotter kit is going to be spotter number 5. I am not going to rub it out though. I'm just going to throw it in the laundry and see if it comes out. So I'm going to dab just a little bit on there. See, oh yeah, looks like there's another spot right there. So there we go. Maybe put a couple dabs here. I mean, and if you're really worried about something not coming out with just the laundry soap, you can buy the spotters singularly, but if you buy the kit, you get the extra benefit of it explaining to you exactly what it takes off and all that other lovely stuff. So, and the kit is cheaper. So this is the first pair of pants, and again I did touch it up with spotter number 5. Second, these are just dirt all over it, caked all over it on the back and sides. So I'm just going to throw those in the laundry and just use the laundry detergent. And I'm just going to throw these in the laundry and just use the laundry detergent. I'm not going to put any spotter on it. I mean, they're really bad. They've got dirt and cement caked all over them. So we'll see how well that comes off. The back side. And then these on the legs and whatnot. So I'm going to put all these jeans in the washer together. That is paint. That looks like it's, oh no, it's not. That's dirt. Even caught me off guard. That's cement. So we're going to see how this works on these pair of pants today. So I'm going to throw them in the washer, put in the Macaloy Laundry Soap, and we'll see where it goes. Alright folks, we're in my laundry room. I'm about as zoomed out as I can get. I'm going to take those pair of pants that I said I was going to, and I'm going to throw them in the laundry machine. It's about 4 pair of pants. We had... They're all in there. Just like that. Close it. Make sure it's shut. Get out my Macaloy Laundry Soap. Pop the cap. All you need is 1 scoop. 1 full level scoop, especially if they're that dirty. I mean, if you had more laundry, I would worry about it, but 1 level scoop full. I'm going to take and I'm going to put it in here. That's all I'm going to do. Close that. Start my laundry machine. And I'm going to do just a normal load. We'll see how that works, right? And then we'll hit start. Hello again folks. I took my husband's pants out of the dryer to see if anything's cleaned up. It looks like on most of them they have. We might have some grease, oil, some more paint over here, And I'm going to use some Spotter 5 on this since they're still wet. I'm going to put some on these. But for the most part, most of the other stuff came out without a lot of treatment. But let's see what we got going on here. Let's get those spot treated. Awesome. Now these ones are his work pants as well. I'm noticing another few spots on it, which is up here. So I'm going to again use Spotter 5 on it. But as we see, there's not a lot of dirt, cement, or anything. And I have a high efficiency washer. Okay, this one we thought had some paint on it. But it looks like everything has come out of these pants. These are just little white spots that I've noticed. But I'm going to put a little Spotter 5 on that anyway, just in case. But these look really clean compared to what they did when I put them in. And then the last pair of jeans that I used in the washer. Looks like, again, these have come out pretty clean for the most part. The spot that I thought was paint is actually a nick or a tear in the jean. So it looks like we might have some paint or something down here on the knee. So I'm going to try and get that out again with Spotter 5. Now I could take these and just rub it with water and see if they come out after putting it through the dryer versus running them through the washing machine again. So there's that. I'm going to run that one just through the dryer as is. This one had a little white spot up here. Again, it might be the fabric, who knows, giving out. And that's kind of what it looks like to me. It doesn't look like paint or anything, but these look really clean. Then, these pants had a spot over here. Put a little bit on it. Scrub it out with water. That, it's looking good. Get that ready, and then the last pair, I had a similar stain here, which that might be paint. I won't be able to get out of that. Try not to use much, don't need much, a little bit goes a long way. That spot's coming out. That's out. This, on the other hand, might be a different story. Might be some hard grease or some paint. Look at that. Mostly everything came out. And the first wash was freaking awesome. That's all I can say. I got some spots over here I pre-treated that they should come out. A little light scrubbing, because it looks like it's the same cement or paint that's on the other side that didn't come out in the initial wash. Okay, that looks pretty good. I think we're going to dry them. We're not going to throw them back in the washer. So I'm just going to throw them all in the dryer, and then we're going to move on from there. Hello again, folks. We're back. The pants are out of the dryer after treating them before I put them in the dryer, and these ones have come out completely clean. They had this spot up here that is just the material fraying there on these jeans, but everything, all the stains have come out. They're looking really good. That's number one. Let's look at the second pair. Well, they're very clean. Not as clean as I'd like them. That's still there, which means the next time I'm going to have to use a different spot remover on that one. But I'm pretty sure we can get that out. These ones as well look really clean. really nice. Those have gotten lighter, but they're not gone. And the last pair of jeans. These are completely clean. There's no stains, no nothing on them. They look really nice. So all of the dirt and the concrete that were on it have come out. So I would say that's a winner. So I'd say out of the 4 pair of pants that I put up here, half of them came out great, which is 2 pair, and the other 2 I have to go back and use different spotters on. But as for that, I think that's going to be for another video. So just remember, if you like our products, remember to subscribe to learn more information. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and if you want to buy the products, go to macaloyproducts.com, MACALOYPRODUCTS.com. Thank you.